What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. Now, today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make chili lime wings. And we're gonna fry these babies this time. Guys, you're gonna love it. That sauce is delicious. So I hope in your kitchen, I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. No, it seems like a lot, but let's go ahead and get in a roll call. Right here, I have 1.5 cups of flour. I have 1 teaspoon of lime zest, 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of chili lime seasoning, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 of a cup of garlic sauce, 1/4 of a cup of sriracha, another teaspoon of fresh lime zest, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, another tablespoon of chili lime seasoning, a teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of chili lime seasoning, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And this is the chili lime seasoning that I'm using for this recipe. This is some good stuff. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we're gonna do now is prepare our flour. So we're gonna add our chili lime seasoning, our baking powder, and our white pepper. We're gonna give this a good mix like this. Take a look at it, guys, and we're gonna move on. Now we're gonna prepare our chicken. So the first thing we're gonna add is our olive oil, our lime juice, chili lime seasoning, lime zest, cumin, chili flakes, and we're gonna give this a good mix, combine it well. All right, so while we have our chicken in the refrigerator, we're gonna start preparing our chili lime sauce. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt that 3 tablespoons of butter. Gonna go ahead and add our lime juice, our sriracha chili, our chili sauce. I like this because it adds a little bit of sweetness in it. That's one reason I like that. Next, our honey, our chili lime seasoning, and our lime zest. And we're gonna go ahead and get these ingredients moved around in here like that. And we're gonna bring this to a slight simmer. Don't wanna really boil it. And this is what we're looking for. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and stop our heat before it starts to boil. And I'm gonna pour this in an empty dish. And we're gonna sit this aside until our wings are done frying, all right? Look at that. Oh man, this thing smells good. All right, let's move on. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start breading our chicken. So I'm just gonna take our chicken, put a couple of pieces in here. And you guys know how to bread it. This is not rocket science. And we're gonna just, cover it up like that. And of course, what I like to do, of course, is I always shake off the excess. And I'm gonna remove these right from this bowl over to our fryer. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these breaded up. And once I get them breaded up, we'll move over to the fryer and we're gonna drop them babies in, all right? All right, so now we have them over here in our fryer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop these babies in. And of course, we're gonna cook these for about 7 to 10 minutes. And you guys know, once it starts rising to the top, you know your wings are done. That's the good part about cooking chicken. All right, guys, so it looks like we are there. Take a look at these babies here. Oh man, look at that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get these transferred over to our bowl so we can get them sauced up. All right, there we go in the bowl. And now we're gonna add our chili lime sauce here. And guys, we're gonna get this mixed up. Now you can also do a little shaky bakey if you want to, but we're just gonna get these all mixed up like this. Now take a look at that. Ooh-wee. All right, take a look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these on a plate and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys, chili lime wings. Yes, we are back on them wings. Take a look at this masterpiece here. So I'm gonna leave the measurements and ingredients all in the video description below, so check it out. It's time to get into quality control, so I want to know what they taste like. All right, let's go. All right, so we are here for quality control. So this is all about testing it out, making sure that it's safe for you guys to eat. So let me go ahead and get started. without further ado, man, they sticky too. I like them when they sticky like that. Oh man. When you hear chili lime, you immediately think it's gonna be spicy. It's not. It has a sweet, mild taste, but it's delicious. The sauce is delicious. Yeah, I'm licking my finger. So what? This is good. Now, you can also bake these. Just do the same thing I did, follow the same instructions, except, of course, you're not gonna use the flour or the ingredients we use to season the flour. Go straight in with season the chicken, but I would add, one ingredient for the flour I would add baking powder. That teaspoon to have a baking powder to your wings and then bake them like that. Rest of it, same thing. Take a look at that. I gotta get off camera. So, guys, until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. All wings, everything. And remember, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot, and I am out. Peace.